Okay, guys, now I'm looking at number 3 here, example number 3, and it says solve. Okay, so we need to find out what the variable equals. It says the sum of 3 consecutive odd integers. Well, let's just stop right there. Okay, consecutive odd integers. I'm going to say that this is the first one. Okay, what's the next one? How do I get to the next one? Fredo? N plus 2, right? Because remember, odds are every other number. How do I get to the one after that, Ben? N plus 4. Now it says the sum of 3 consecutive odd integers. How can I write that? Ian? N plus 2 plus n plus 4. That's the sum of those 3 consecutive odd integers. And then it says is, so I'm going to put an equal sign. 100 more than the smallest integer. Well, how do I write that, Max? 100 plus n, which is the smallest one. All right, well, now I just need to solve it. Where do I go to solve this thing? Help me out back there, Reed. I've got an n here, I've got an n here, and an n there, so I've got 3n. Thank you, Reed. Now what do I do? Jordan. Now I combine the constants, 2 and 4, and I get 6. And over here, can I simplify anything on the right, Alexander?
Yes, you can.
On the right?
Well, no, you can't.
I can't simplify anything. Now I think I'm ready to solve, right? I've simplified, I'm ready to solve. Taro, what do I need to do to solve this thing? I can subtract 6 from both sides, okay? So what I'm going to have 3n on the left, and I'm going to have 94 plus n on the right. Where do I go from there, Ian?
Then you go, you want to get just the variables on one side, so you subtract.
Get the variables on one side, so subtract n from both sides. Great job. So I'm left with 2n equals 94. Edward, from there. Divide by 2 on both sides, and I get n is equal to what, Edward? 47. Beautiful. Now let's think about it for just a second. I'm going to have to cut it a little short. But remember, it says 3 consecutive odd integers. Well, is the first one, is n odd? Okay, 47 is an odd number. That's good. Okay, what's the next odd number? What's the next odd number, Ben? 47, and then we've got 49, and then what's the last one? Read? 51. Now, if I add all those together, here we go. I'm going to get, let's see, let me scoot down here. 10, 17, I'm going to put one up here. 5 and 4 is 9, and 5 is 14, so I get 147, okay? Now, it said that the sum, so 147, is 100 more than the smallest. Is 147 100 more than 47? Beautiful. Solved the problem. Great job, guys. Absolutely. Fantastic.